In this video, I'll detail how to enable guided access on iPad Air. So if you have an iPad Air, whether the 1st gen, 2nd gen, 3rd, 5th gen, or 10th gen, then this video is going to show you the step-by-step procedure on how you can easily enable or turn on the guided access on your iPad Air. So if you don't know this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or enable guided access on your iPad, just go to your iPad settings. On the settings, scroll down and click on General. Once you select General, scroll down and locate Accessibility, then click on that. Then once you tap Accessibility, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to Learning and then tap Guided Access. Then here, tap the feature to turn on Guided Access. And once you turn that on, you'll be prompted to set passcode, set time limit, turn on accessibility shortcut or mirror display auto lock. Now to set the passcode, just tap that and then tap set guided access passcode. Then go ahead and type in your guided access passcode. Repeat your guided access passcode. Then hang on to set guided access passcode. You can see set passcode used when access is enabled. Then that is it. Then you can just set the time limit. Click on time limit. Then under alarm, select sound. Then known aura bamboo. That's the guided access sound. You can also enable speak, play sound, and have remaining guided access time spoken before the end. You can turn this or disable this. Now, once you enable guided access on your iPad, then you need to turn on guided access by pressing the side button 3 times. So go to the app whose guided access you want to enable. So let's say I want to enable guided access on Khan Academy for my kids. Just come here, turn on the application, and then to turn on guided access, all you just need to do is just press the home button 3 times. Then you should see a pop that says start guided access or cancel. Then click on start. Then you should see guided access enabled. Then all ability to exit this page while the app is on guided access will be denied. So you can repeat this on any application on your iPad to enable guided access and stick to a particular application on the iPad. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.